In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicate keywords in Google Ads. This is an essential skill for anyone managing their ad accounts, as duplicate keywords can affect your campaign's efficiency and spend. By following these steps, you can ensure that your ads are optimized for performance and not competing with themselves. Let's start by navigating to the Google Ads homepage. Open up your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. Click on the Sign In button at the top right hand corner of the page. Enter your credentials and press enter to access your account. Now that you're logged into Google Ads, you'll be directed to your Google Ads home. From the dashboard, you'll see a variety of options and menus. To proceed, locate the Tools button, typically found in the top navigation bar. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. In this drop-down menu, you'll find a section labeled Planning. Click on Planning and this will lead you to the Keyword Planner. The Keyword Planner is a powerful tool in Google Ads that allows you to explore new keyword opportunities and get insights into your existing campaigns. You'll want to click on Keyword Planner to open this tool. Once the Keyword Planner opens, you'll see two main options. The option we want is Discover New Keywords, so go ahead and click on that. This part of the tool helps you find new keywords, which can also show you if there are duplicates already in your campaigns. Now here's a useful tip. When using the Keyword Planner to check for duplicates, ensure you have a list of your current keywords ready. This allows you to manually compare and cross-check your keywords list with the suggestions and insights provided by Google Ads. Spreadsheets or any listing tool can help streamline this process, making it simpler to identify any duplicates that might be severely reducing the effectiveness of your campaigns. Once you've got your keywords ready to review, take note of any identical keywords that appear in your insights. Pay special attention to the search volume and competition data for those duplicate keywords. Google Ads may flag them or provide insight into their potential impact, allowing you to prioritize which ones to address. A good practice is to regularly repeat this process as your campaigns evolve and grow. Keeping a close eye on keywords ensures you're always optimizing and not wasting valuable budget due to internal competition. That's it for today's tutorial on finding duplicate keywords in Google Ads. By auditing your account occasionally, you can maintain a set of unique and efficient keywords, optimizing your ad campaigns for better performance. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy advertising.